with contestant number 2.
I will persist until I succeed by Og Mandino. I was not delivered onto this world in defeat, nor does failure course in my veins. I will hear not those who weep and complain, for their disease is contagious. The slaughterhouse of failure is not my destiny. The prizes of life are at the end of each journey, not near the beginning. And it is not given to me to know how many steps are necessary in order to reach my goal. Failure, I may still encounter at 1,000 steps. Yet, success hides behind the next bend in the road. Never will I know how close it lies unless I turn the corner. I will be likened to the raindrop which washes away the mountain, the ant that devours a tiger, the star which brightens the earth, and the slave who builds a pyramid. I will build my castle, one brick at a time. For I know that small attempts, repeated, will complete any undertaking. I will persist until I succeed. I will never consider defeat, and I will remove from my vocabulary such words and phrases as quit, cannot, unable, impossible, out of the question, improbable, failure, unworkable, hopeless, and retreat. I will avoid despair, but if this disease of the mind should infect me, then I will work on in despair. I will toil and I will endure. I will remember the ancient law of averages, and I will bend it to my good. Each frown I meet only prepares me for the smiles to come. Each misfortune I encounter, I will carry in it the seed of tomorrow's good luck. I must have the night to appreciate the day. I must fail often to succeed only once. I will persist until I succeed. Never will I allow any day to end with a failure. Thus, I will plant the seed of tomorrow's success and gain an insurmountable advance over those who cease their labor at a prescribed time. When others cease their struggle, then mine will begin, and my harvest will be full. Nor will I allow yesterday's success to lull me into today's complacency, for this is the greatest foundation of failure. I will forget the happenings of the day that has gone, whether they were good or bad, and greet the new sun with confidence, that this will be the best day of my life. So long as there is breath in me, that long will I persist. For I know one of the greatest principles of success. If I persist long enough, I will win. I will persist. I will win. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 2.